Most programmers and IT people spend a ton of time every day typing away at the keyboard. To prevent numbness and fatigue, it's important to have an ergonomic keyboard. These are the best ones in the market. The wave-shaped Logitech K350 is at number 5. It features a cushioned palm rest for unmatched comfort. Thanks to its gradual wave-shaped contour, this keyframe supports the varied lengths of your fingers. 3-year battery life means you won't spend your time tracking down new batteries. The receiver's advanced 2.4 GHz wireless provides a long-range connection that eliminates delays, dropouts, and interference. Adjustable keyboard height offers 3 options for complete control. Convenient one-touch controls give you instant access to volume and media playback. The Cherry MX RGB Nature White switches on the 4th-placed Mistel Barocco are designed to offer a linear experience without a noticeable pressure point. It comes with a backlit double-shot PBT keycaps that are highly resistant to friction, temperature, and solvents, and have an ergonomic key shape to provide a comfortable experience. The 9 multiple modes LED RGB per key backlighting let you customize it to your heart's content. The entire keyboard is programmable to assign a macro to any key and can be done through keyboard bindings. It also has 3 built-in preset layouts, Curity, Dvorak, and Colmac, and 3 fully programmable layouts. The video description contains all the information about these products and links to buy them. The second runner-up on this list is the MATIAS ERGO Pro. It features MATIAS quiet-click mechanical switches with ALPS-inspired design and delivers generous amounts of tactile feedback while still providing enough resistance to support the weight of your hands. A low-force edition is also available, featuring MATIAS quiet linear switches for a smooth, low-force feel. The ERGO Pro comes equipped with leg supports for 9-degree tenting and 4.5-degree negative tilt, and supports standard tabletop tripods for additional lift. The palm supports are big and comfortable and can be removed if not needed. The 3 extra USB ports let you plug in flash drives and more. The Advantage2 takes the second spot and features Kinesis patented contoured design and low-force mechanical key switches for maximum comfort. The fully programmable keyboard features an all-new Smart Set programming engine that allows you to customize the keyboard's layout without installing any clunky software or special drivers. You can record macros, remap keys, and do much more. It works on all major operating systems and enables users to easily create and back up their custom layouts. This one features low-force tactile Cherry MX brown key switches for the most ergonomic typing experience. And the best ergonomic keyboard in the business is the Microsoft Sculpt. It comes with a split keyboard layout that keeps wrists and forearms relaxed, and the cushioned palm rest provides additional wrist support. The keyboard is flat on the sides and rises gradually towards the center, forcing your hands into a very natural position. The domed keyboard shape reduces and corrects wrist pronation, relieving pain and limited mobility. The separate number pad provides greater flexibility for workspace setup, and the natural arc key layout mimics the curved shape of the fingertips for added comfort. Its reverse tilt design places the keyboard at the correct angle to give you a straight, neutral wrist position. If you thought we did okay with this video, consider hitting the like button. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another video from us.